Hey, so this is Wanda with Crochet and MicroLocs Elegance. My client bought this beautiful pair in from PPcollection.com, the mini crochet cookie twist. The packet came in, I was like, well, where's the hair? Open it up, it's so lightweight. In the packet, the latch hook was the heaviest piece, and it comes with 6. She got a bundle of 1 bead 10 inch. It came with a beautiful information card on how to maintain the hair. What I love about this hair, it's hand twisted, two strands. I mean, it's the volume, it's whatever you want it to be. My client texted me the next day, talked about how she used the foam lotion, that her husband loves it. It's just wonderful.
Now I'm coming around, keep going, doing that. I'm gonna get it, get that back, excuse me. Yes, okay, look at me. There we go.